Stop spending hours writing SOPs from scratch. I'm about to show you how to turn any Loom video into any SOP you want in 5 minutes or less. So SOPs are crucial for scaling your business, but who has the time to write detailed SOPs with screenshots step by step? So I'm going to show you an easy way to turn your Loom library into a gold mine for SOPs waiting to happen. So the first step is going to the video Loom library. So once you're in your Loom, you can click on absolutely any video you want. For example, this one over here. This is just an example. Don't worry about the specific topic. This is just an example. So once you're in your video, you're gonna see here, when you click on edit, besides the remove silences, besides the remove filler words, besides the add stylized captions, when you scroll down, there is create SOP, and it's gonna create you an SOP with timestamps and giving you a link for the video which you can copy, and then you can turn that into an SOP by creating a simple Google Doc. Okay, all this process, as you can see, takes not even 5 minutes. So I just created an SOP for this payment calculation that I want to do. Here's exactly how I do it. This is the exact same way that I created a detailed SOP for an AI snapshot, which I created. And this SOP would have taken me 5 to 6 hours. Instead, what I did is I recorded a few Loom videos. I created the SOPs for each of them. And as you can see here, all these videos in total took me no longer than 30 minutes to do. If you want to learn more about how to automate your business, we have a community called the Automation School, where every single week, we do 2 calls per week. Every single week, we do 2 support calls a week about different topics on how to automate your business. And on top of that, we have 30 plus hours of automation courses, systems to scale, 5-minute webinar AI, how to make money with high level, the basics of high level, workflows A to Z, SMS and email wizardry. And the best part is you can ask any questions and answers, and I'm gonna personally respond to your questions and answers. So there's a couple of ways you can join. You can click on the link in the description that says check out the Automation School, or you can also sign up under my affiliate link in the agency plan or in the pro plan, or you can upgrade either to agency or pro plan, and you're gonna get all these goods for free.